may find it interesting, but Florida Medical Clinic did not go out and evaluate multiple vendors regarding their medical health record. We partnered with experts that we were comfortable in dealing with.
We wanted to find an electronic health record system that was one system. We didn't want to create interfaces between our practice management system and our electronic health record system.
A vendor who we knew could meet all of our needs in a comprehensive fashion, and at the same time, be there long term, because the EMR world was changing so quickly. We knew that there was a lot of consolidation. Vendors were changing, gobbling each other up, and we wanted to be certain that the player that we chose was going to be there long term to be able to provide the support.
You have a team of people that will help you walk you through the process. It is completely re-engineering your entire practice, from how the patient checks in to how the patient checks out and everything in between. So the comfortable thing for us is dealing with people we know, and the expertise was there in helping us with whether it was transition from conversions or to processes. But it's a very complicated process, but very worthwhile, and you deal with people who know how to do it.
We ultimately selected the Sage product, Entergy Practice Management and Entergy EHR. We felt that this product, the combined product, the integrated product, provided us a better solution than we evaluated through the other vendors. We felt that this product also provided a means for us to increase our revenue, decrease our cost, and also improve on the effectiveness and efficiencies of our processes and procedures.
I think we live in a world where almost anything is possible from an electronic standpoint, but having the same vendor and integration among all the systems, I think, just makes life easier from an execution standpoint.
The way in which the staff at Sage, I think, backed up the system and were able to work with us in a very team approach, I think was also very important.
Our experience with Sage has been a positive one from start to finish. I really have come to rely on the excellent support that they provided to help make the implementation and long-term use of the product successful. I believe that they have helped me accomplish every single one of the goals that I had in mind for the practice when we selected the Entergy product.
Understanding that Sage has done a great job in working with us to create a product that really meets our needs.
We decided to go with Sage Energy Suite because we've had very good success with Sage. We've been a longtime client of Sage, and I've found them to be very reliable.
We find new things that make our lives easier with every upgrade.
We've had great support in implementing and the processes. The updates have always been positive. We send feedback in as we see things that might run smoothly, and soon we see some of those changes incorporated in the next updates.
Our partnering with Sage was first and foremost based on past relationships with the company. That was very important. The company had been always there for us and were very good partners for us for many years prior to this product.
I think that the core components of a good practice management system is the ability to track your cash and your appointments and the clinical process all in one circle. The finance folks want to focus on the cash. The billing folks want to focus on adjudication. The clinical folks want to focus on outcomes. And then you have the folks running the business focusing on the actual workflow.